back to my channel. Today I'm here with a new video, a different type of video. You usually don't see me doing any type of luxury content outside of makeup on my channel, but recently I did go into Ysl and I picked up this Ysl small LouLou bag. I've been wanting this bag for forever and ever. So this is really not an unboxing just because I've had this bag for about a week now and I actually been wearing it. But I did pick the bag up and I want to share it with you all, show y'all what it looks like just in case if you had your eye on it, and also share my experience at Nordstrom when it comes to picking this bag up, because I feel like I had a very bad experience at Nordstrom. Surprisingly, Nordstrom is one of my favorite stores to shop at. But anyway, I've been wanting this bag for a long time, and when I say a long time, I mean a very, very long time. It's just every time it came down to purchase it, I would just be like, I don't know if I could spend that much on a bag. But the price has went up. I think at one point this bag retailed for maybe about $1,900. Now it's up to 22 something, and with the tax I ended up paying like 22. No, I paid like 24 or something. Let me look at the receipt. I can tell y'all exactly how much I paid for this bag. Yeah, I paid $2,441 with the tax. I first purchased this bag at Nordstrom, right? Just because the bag is so much, and I felt like if I buy it from Nordstrom, I would get some of my money back via the Nordy points, which is pretty much store credit. So I figured even if I got $50, $100 back, that's something. So I just felt like, okay, I'm gonna go to Nordstrom to pick up the bag. I ordered a bag online and I did in-store pickup. So at Nordstrom, you can either go inside to pick up your item or they'll bring it out to the car. So I had them bring the bag out to the car. And when the girl was bringing the bag out in a shopping bag, I could see that the bag wasn't in a box. So when she finally reached the car, I'm like, where's the box that the bag come in? She like, oh, I don't know, they didn't give it to me. So the bag was just in a dust bag, right? So I'm like, okay, whatever. Something told me to open up the dust bag and take the bag out. The bag that they was trying to give me at Nordstrom was completely worn. It was scuffed up. The bag just looked terrible. Long story short, I had to end up exchanging the bag, and I ended up going to Ysl, which I should have went there from the beginning. Like, the experience was much better because the bag actually came packaged nicely. It was in this box, and inside the box it does come with a dust bag, and also it came in this nice Saint Laurent bag, because the bag they was trying to give me at Nordstrom, like, it wasn't it. So I would say if you had your eye on this bag, definitely get it from the Saint Laurent store. It's just an overall much better experience. And also, I've watched tons and tons of reviews on this bag. I've damn near watched every review on YouTube when it comes to this bag. And a lot of times I've seen when people purchase this bag from like Saks, Neiman's, Nordstrom, Bloomingdale's, it doesn't come like in a nice packaging that you get from Ysl, pretty much. So this is the small LouLou bag. I got the black bag with the gold hardware. In this bag in person, I kind of felt like it looked a little too small, and I was actually about to pick up the medium size, but I'm happy I just stuck to the small because you can kind of pack a lot of things in here without it looking bulky. I'm gonna show y'all all the stuff that I got in this bag right quick. First thing I got is my card case, so that really doesn't take up that much space. I also have some hand cream, and I do have some breath mints, icebreakers, and also I have a small little wallet, and I actually got this wallet off Amazon. I don't think it's available anymore. And also I have this Gucci lip balm that I'm in my Ysl bill pouch, and as you see, this is not a small pouch, and I mainly just keep money in here, and as you see, it can fit in here, and it fits. Come with the authenticity card that's in the bag. I just pretty much gonna keep that in there. So as you see, it really does fit a lot in here, even though it looks kind of small, but it really fits a lot. I'm happy. At the end of the day, I decided to get this bag from Saint Laurent versus Nordstrom because I really feel like if I would have just went home with the bag and then tried to return it, they probably wouldn't have let me return it. And also, the condition that the bag was in just made me feel like I don't even know if the person who had the actual bag returned it or swapped it out with a knockoff. So yeah, I would say if you want this bag, go to a Saint Laurent store or order it from the actual Saint Laurent website. The experience would be much better. After all, you are paying a lot for this bag, so why not get the best experience possible when you're spending your money on a luxury item? Like, I absolutely love this bag. So when I was in the Saint Laurent store, the lady that was helping me, she told me this was the perfect time to get this bag because by the end of the year they're raising the price again, and she said she don't know how high it might get. So yeah, if you had your eye on it, get it now before the price increase, because a lot of these luxury companies are raising their prices. Also, what I really like about this bag is that you could wear this on your shoulder, and you can also wear it as a crossbody bag, because for a long time I was thinking about just getting a YSL Toy Lou, just because it's a crossbody bag and I prefer a crossbody bag versus one on the shoulder, but that one just seemed a little too small. So with this, you have two, like you could dress it up as a shoulder bag and you could dress it down as a crossbody. Definitely keep y'all updated on whether or not in the coming months do I feel this bag is worth picking up, just because right now I've only had it a week and right now I'm still in love with it, and you never know, my thoughts on it could change in a few weeks or even a couple months. So yeah, just be on the lookout for a future update on this bag. Hey y'all, that is it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and y'all let me know if you have this bag, what has been your experience with it, or do you have the bigger one? Let me know, because I don't know, a part of me kind of wants the medium bag, but I like this one as well. So I don't know, maybe in the future, if I still enjoy this bag, I might end up picking up the medium size, and if I do, most likely it won't be in this color. I don't know, but anyway y'all, that's it y'all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.